Malakas dapat. Okay, sasabihin nyo, run, run, run. Mabilis at malakas. Okay? Fire in the mountain. Mas malakas. Okay? Mas malakas. Fire in the mountain. Okay, ganyan. Okay, kapag sinabi naman ni Ate Edeline na group yourselves into 5, magyayakap kayo na grupo. 5 dapat. At kung sino yung walang kapartner will be out of this game. Ready na po ba? Okay, practice muna tayo. Mommy is pwedeng tumulong, pero as much as better dapat kids talaga yung magdidesisyon. Okay? Fire in the mountain! Wala sumasagot, kids! Kung sino yung manalo, bibigyan ko na cup, this, and this. Okay? Game na?